Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a combat system in Roblox Studio. So first you just have to go to the site and then you have to make sure that you get this. So tap get, wait for a couple of seconds, okay, and then you will see right here that you have successfully get or purchased this. Now, what you're going to do is to go to Roblox Studio and you have to import this combat system to the studio. Click OK. And then after that, you can now edit everything. So what you're going to do here is to simply move this to replicated storage. So you have to move this combat system, this contact center, this contact client, and animation. So you have to make sure that these four files are moved to replicated storage. After that, move this combat server to service script service, combat client, move to starter character scripts, and then after that, you can now upload animations. Okay, sorry if it takes time for me to move this. Okay, so now let's move to animations. So under animations, you can see the following here, right? So what you're going to do is to simply upload the animation according to the avatar type of your game. Okay, so what you're going to do is to simply click this one, right click, okay? And then what you're going to do is to simply go to save to Roblox. And then you just have to click submit. And then once done, you just have to copy this ID. Okay, remember this one, okay? So after that, after you copied the ID, you can now go to combat animations. Tap this one, click the plus icon. Click this one and then go to properties, scroll down here, look for that animation and then paste the ID right here. Okay, go to animation and paste it right here. So after copying the ID and paste it to animation ID, you need to do this to each of your animation. Okay, so you have to go to this left punch, okay, right click, and then do this one. Copy, go to properties, and then paste the ID. As easy as that. And then after that, so once you added the animation here, you can go to settings and change everything. For example, you want to change the damage, the value, or change other settings, just simply go to settings and try to change everything here. Okay, and then once done, now what you need here is an avatar. Then you can now click the play icon. Okay, and just in case that you have other players here, then you will see the result of doing this tutorial. And that's how to make a combat system in Roblox Studio. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.